Anthropogenic climate change is the culmination of our everyday activities resulting in the phenomena of global warming, reducing biodiversity and disrupting the nutrient cycles, thus creating a more hostile condition for every living being on this planet. Toxic gases from vehicles, farms, and industrial factories are released in massive amounts into the air, trapping large amounts of heat in Earth's atmosphere. Although we are not the species suffering from the most from anthropogenic climate change, its future spells impending doom for all wonderful species on this earth, including humans. If the fragile balance of life is upset, everything will collapse. If an essential species like the honeybee faces extinction, for example, many other species will follow. The meat industry is one of the main contributors of anthropogenic climate change, as it inefficiently uses 17 billion pounds of nitrogen fertilizer each year in order to produce plant feed to be consumed by animals, which produce upwards of 20% of the US's overall methane emissions, to be finally consumed by us, humans.
The abundant use of nitrogen fertilizer results in eutrophication as its runoff into larger bodies of water cause rapid growth of microorganisms on the top layers of such bodies, which absorb oxygen and prevent it from getting into the water, making bodies of water anoxic and creating dead zones where little or no organisms can grow. The microorganisms also block sunlight and deny light energy to the organisms below, such as plants and other organisms which need to perform photosynthesis in order to survive and contribute back to the natural nutrient cycles. This effectively disrupts and leads to the decline of such aquatic ecosystems which us humans rely on as a food source, water source, and natural reservoir for numerous nutrient cycles. And while the methane produced in the digestive tracts of regular amounts of ruminant livestock would not regularly be a major contributor to global warming, the existence of roughly 50 billion land animals, each producing methane in the meat industry alone, creates a problem.
Farming and consuming animal products are also some of the least efficient ways of getting the energy we need in our diets to survive. Every transition from each trophic level of food chain to the next results roughly in a 90% energy level. People who buy animal products should be charged a tax of 15%. This 15% tax will be collected by the government and will fund research on sustainable lab-grown animal products or imitation animal products. This tax allows the government to find a potential solution to the problem of breeding and raising animals without having animal product buyers give up a staple in their lifestyle. This also means we can reduce the amount of land and resources devoted to raising animals, which can help our environment by reducing eutrophication and greenhouse gas emissions. However, we don't have to buy animal products to donate to this cause. We can help by donating to organizations such as the Impossible Food Company that are already working towards finding a solution for this problem. These small acts go a long way in securing the health of future generations on this planet.